This is question 3 from chapter 1, an introduction to chemistry. And this question is asking how ozone layers are formed and why it is important. So we all know that ozone and its composition is O3. We got 3 oxygen atoms. And ozone absorbs harmful radiation before reaching the Earth's substance. So essentially, how the layers are formed, when we have oxygen, the oxygen compound, which is O2. It would be better if I just draw it. Okay. We have O2 as oxygen. When this oxygen compound is exposed to the ultraviolet radiation in the stratosphere, the two particles split into 2 free oxygen atoms, essentially O. And these atoms will bind with each other to form this O3 compound, so the ozone. The ozone absorbs radiation and will break apart the oxygen gas molecules. And when they do this, it also means there is going to be a balance between the oxygen gas and the ozone in the stratosphere. So ozone basically works as a protective layer against ultraviolet radiations. As I said, it balances. So it also follows the flow of the air in the stratosphere, and instruments like balloons and satellites help measure the ozone. So a normal ozone is going to be 300 Dobson units, or DU. And back in the early 80s, this drew concern when they were measuring the ozone layers because it was 160 Dobson units. So this basically means the protective layer of the ozone is thinning.